If you feel the video is too fast or too slow, feel free to play with the playback settings which you can find below the video. Each time on creating any AWS resource in AWS, we would have seen option of adding the tags, and many would have just skipped it in the phase of learning without knowing the actual purpose of it or what it's capable of doing it. In this video, we will break it down what is tags and its purpose in detail. Tag has two components, one is the key and the value. So you can come up with your own tag key and own tag value. For example, environment as a key and the value of the key as production or non-prod. When tagging, you consider it to split into like three different categories. One for technical, so the technical tags, and for automation purpose, you can call it as automation tags, and for the business specific purpose, the business tags. So the technical tags can consist of the information about the application. It can be an application name, the environment, the application version, and so on. In the tags for automation, you can set the values of, like, let's say for example, for EC2 start time, downtime, so that the Lambda or other automations can read the tag value and perform the action to implement the automation part. Business tags, it's mainly for getting the budget or the cost estimation for the specific project. So you can have project specific tags, say project name as testing or project B as website A. So likewise, you can specify the project specific tags to get the details or the cost estimation for a specific project. Remember, both the tag keys and values are case sensitive. So if you have a tag name ABC all in lowercase and the another tag name ABC all in uppercase, then the AWS is going to treat it into as two separate tags. The same applies for the value as well. You can add maximum of 50 tags to a specific resource. So as much tags you add, as much info about the resource and purpose of it to get the most benefit of cost visibility, automation, and giving the access. Yeah, you can also use tags to provide access. Example, let's say if you want to give a shutdown of an EC2 instance access to a user, then but not all the instances the user should be able to do it, maybe just for the instances of project A or only the non-prod environments. So in that case, you can have a IAM condition which says the resource should contain a specific tags in it, and if not, the user authentication would be denied. You can also enforce certain tags by adding policies at the organization unit level so that a resource can't be created if a specific tag name or value doesn't exist. So you can also automate the tagging process by including it in the process of Terraform module or CloudFormation template, so that whenever the resource is kicked in by using any of the automation process, the resource is auto tagged over there. In case if you don't have that mechanism yet, then you can also use tag editor to do add or removal or modify the existing tags for all the resources which already exist in your AWS account using this tool, tag editor. If you would like to know more about the tag editor, how it can be done, do comment below. We will collect your feedback and we'll make a video out of it. We have reached the end of the video. To let YouTube suggest our video more, do like our video. For more videos, do subscribe and click the bell icon.